Hey family, I decided to go ahead and just drop a video because I feel so bad that I haven't posted any videos so far this year. I know we're only 4 or 5 days in, but I feel bad that I haven't posted in a while. But I just haven't really been feeling well, so I haven't been really cooking anything. I tested last week negative for COVID, and then I retested on the January 4th, and I am positive. So that explains why I haven't been feeling well. But starting January 5th, I'm going to be doing a lot of juicing just to have a lot of nutrients in my body because I haven't really been having an appetite lately. So that's kind of what I'm going to be focusing on for a few days now. So be on the lookout for any juice recipes that I do. And if I do decide to make any meals, it'll probably be something quick like toast or a sweet potato or something. I really just don't have very much energy to do anything or really edit videos or anything. I've been having a really bad headache, just everything. So I appreciate you guys' patience and anybody who has checked up on me and even noticed that I haven't posted any videos. I appreciate you guys so much. And hopefully soon I'll be feeling better and then I'll get back to posting more videos. I love you guys so much. Bye. And don't mind my bonnet, y'all. I didn't feel like doing my hair and I just wanted to drop in real quick. Okay, bye. Good night.